Hey guys, how's it going? How to check saved collections on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram, and then what you're gonna do, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and then tap the horizontal line or the menu at the top right corner, and then select saved right here. Here you will see all your saved posts organized into collections. You can tap any collection to view the saved items or the saved content within it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.